Hey, I went to Las Vegas last week and I went to a hole in the wall called Lola's in downtown Las Vegas on Charleston Street. Man, when I tell you that was the best meal that I had while I was in there. I went to Hell's Kitchen, I went to Mizumi's over at the Wynn Hotel, and nothing compared to this what you see right here. Do you see that? That is Gouda cheese grits with blackened catfish. I added shrimp to it, and around the edges of that was an andouille sausage mushroom ragout. That's exactly what we're making today. Now, this is a part of a hashtag Soul Food Sunday series started by Soul Food Cooking and my man Smoking and Grilling with AB. If you guys want to jump in, go ahead and make your dish. Just make sure you give it the hashtag Soul Food Sundays. All right, guys. So without further ado, I'm ready to get started. Let's start cooking.
I want to shout out you. Yes, you, my subscriber. Guys, whew, it is hot out here, man.
For science. For science. For science. Alright guys, so check it out. We've got our ingredients right here. Real simple. So the first thing we're going to make is the mushroom and sausage ragout. It's spelled R-A-G-O-U-T, but it sounds like ragout. It must be a French thing. So first thing we're going to start off with is we've got a teaspoon of some teaspoon of some basil. All right, that's dry basil. We got a teaspoon of some dried oregano. We've also got a teaspoon of some red pepper chili flakes. Okay, all right, this is about a pound of lean ground beef. We've got one medium-sized onion diced up. This is a half pound of baby bella mushrooms. All right, we got about 3 teaspoons. Actually, this is about 3 garlic cloves minced. And we've got some andouille sausage. We're gonna make this right now. You're also gonna need a 3/4 cup decent bottle of red wine. You don't want anything too cheap. I got one at the grocery store, so that's what you're gonna use. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start cooking this. All right, so let's start to mix our ingredients. We've got a Dutch oven pot here, which is gonna be best for cooking this ragout. And we're just gonna add about a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil. All right, now let's add our mushrooms. We're gonna start to cook those down a bit to get those nice and soft. And then we're gonna add our onions to the pot. Now you're gonna cook your onions and your mushrooms until those onions get nice and translucent. Now as you can see, I'm adding my ground beef, my andouille sausage. You're gonna add your garlic to this too. And once that's in there, you take your wooden spoon and you just wanna chop the meat up because it's all in one clump right now. So we wanna chop that up and cook this until your ground beef is nice and brown. Now let's add all of our dry ingredients in, the red pepper flakes and all our other magical seasonings that's gonna make this ragout taste phenomenal. Incorporate all that and stir it all in. All right, we're almost done. So now we just wanna add our marinara sauce. Try not to go too cheap on your marinara sauce. You want it to be really good marinara sauce if you can afford it. If not, then just go with whatever you have. I use 2 jars of it. You can use 2.5 if you want it more saucy. Don't forget to add your 3/4 cups of red wine as well, guys. And we're done. So we're gonna make our grits now. Make sure your water is boiling. I've used some chicken stock here to season our water. Once you're done with that, just stir it in. And you're gonna add your grits to it. That's 1 cup of grits for 4 cups of water. Stir that in really good too. It's grits, y'all. It's real simple. Now, the key to my grits is I add this heavy whipping cream to it. That's gonna make our grits really smooth and creamy. I put that top on to cook it to get it thickened, and then I added my cheese. Stir your cheese in really good, and there you have it, guys. Cheesy grits. All right, y'all. So as you can see here, we got 4 nice fillets. What we're gonna do is we're gonna chop these up into pieces. It's also gonna look good for presentation because I want it to look kind of like the picture I showed you from Lola's. Yeah. So as you can see, I got some nice little fillets there. I may make something even bigger. Now I've got my shrimp already marinating in the seasoning. I'm using this seasoning here. This is Paul Prudhomme's redfish, blackened redfish magic. The key to blackening fish is that you want your skillet to be hot, like really hot, okay? Really hot. Also, it's gonna be really smoky. Bear with me. You might not be able to see me through all the smoke. All right, stay tuned. We're gonna butter it. Well, you mean stay tuned? We can butter this right here. Let me get a plate. Okay guys, I got some melted butter here. We're gonna take this and we're gonna baste our fish with it. Okay, let's get that all over our fish. Now you're gonna wanna cook these on either side for about 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes in, flip these puppies over because they're gonna cook fast. And you don't wanna overcook them. Fish is not good overcooked. FYI. Fish is not good overcooked. All right, now we got that on there. Generously sprinkle this on here, depending on how spicy you like it. I like mine's pretty spicy. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish seasoning these. I'm going to finish seasoning these.
Damn, ham, fucking.
I'm gonna finish seasoning this catfish, and then we're gonna get right to the skillet, guys. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. You see my pan is smoking. It's piping hot. I got my fish ready. Let's start blackening some fish. I'm excited. Here we go. All right, we're adding our catfish to our piping hot skillet. As you can see, I'm not overcrowding the pan with the fish. I want to give them room to cook. I did put a little bit of butter into the pan before I got started. That's going to help and assist in getting that blackened look on those pieces of fish. Man, doesn't that look good? Wish you could smell that. Shout out to all my seafood lovers out there. We're putting our shrimp in now. Shrimp's going to be the same process. You're going to cook that 2 minutes each side. You want to keep a close eye on these shrimp now because you can overcook them, and overcooked shrimp doesn't taste that good either. It's pretty chewy. So you want to make sure to keep your shrimp nice and juicy. To stay close to the fire, keep your eye on it. Man, doesn't that look good? Bam, well there you have it guys. Spicy Gouda grits with blackened catfish and blackened shrimp, and that's a long title. Let me show you what we're working with, y'all. Look at that. You already know it's going down for science, don't you? All right, y'all, I hate to do it to you. I'm on a diet, but I do this for science. Here we go. Oh man. I hate to make y'all watch me eat. No, I don't. I got smoking and grilling AB over here sitting on my couch right now. Quiet as a hooker in church. His mouth is full of food right now, guys. Hey, so with that being said, guys, if you like this content, if you like this video, smash that like button for me, guys. And stop playing with your life, baby. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for coming to my channel and watching. I got more videos to come. Shout out to Smoking and Grilling with AB for Soul Food Sundays and Soul Food Cooking, guys. Go over to their channel and check them out. If you're gonna make a dish, hashtag Soul Food Sundays. Don't forget, guys. So without further ado, this is Big Mike. Until the next video, guys, I'm signing out. Peace.